This feline has clearly mistaken the family dog for a local milk station, and the poor pup has absolutely no idea how to handle this bizarre situation. This huge shadow just tried to eat my face, but honestly it smells like kibble, so I will allow it for now. I am just a small potato with a giraffe friend, while he is clearly the supervisor.
Be gentle.
That microwave is actually a 5-star spa. One touch to the lower back and this orange loaf is fully toasted. Witness the daily struggle of a fierce predator. From chin scratches and belly rubs to intense staring contests and tactical naps, this kitten is clearly working harder than all of us.
Nó liếm lá thôi à. Cái bạn ổn.
That majestic ball of fluff started with a look of pure judgment, as if I personally cancelled his favorite show. 1 second he is side-eyeing my very existence with the intensity of 1,000 suns, and the next his eyes have expanded into massive black holes of chaotic energy. There is absolutely no middle ground with this creature. He went from grumpy retired professor to seeing the entire universe in 5 seconds flat. A rare glimpse into the life of a feline athlete. Watch as this majestic cloud transitions from a high-speed living room sprint to a dramatic floor collapse in record time. Truly, the peak performance we all strive for every single Monday.
Nè.
Observe the tactical genius of this fluffy monochromatic whirlwind as he engages in a high-stakes battle against a stationary yellow sponge and a deceptively silent piece of white paper. In the first frame we see the predator narrowing his focus on the target with mathematical precision. By the second and third shots the intensity reaches a fever pitch as he performs a complex self-cleaning ritual mid-combat, because one must look fabulous while conquering household items. Then the absolute chaos erupts in the fourth frame, where he transforms into a blurry aerodynamic orb of pure kinetic energy. Finally, the grand finale shows our hero completely exhausted by his own magnificence sprawled out on the rug in a dramatic display of victory. It is truly a majestic masterclass in feline parkour and questionable life choices that deserves a standing ovation.
Hey, ngapa dicabut itu ikat rambut? Itu ikat rambut Arin loh.
I just found out there's an actual clinical name for what you call it when you can't sleep at night and you just eat instead. It's called insomnia.
Observe this feline mastermind as it maintains peak composure while being offered a suspicious toy fish. First it ignores the bribe with high society judgment, then it finally caves because even the most sophisticated critics have a price for snacks.
Giữa đêm khuya, một chú chó đang phải trông coi cửa hàng với chiếc bụng đói. Ngay khi nhìn thấy chủ đến, chú chó lập tức nức nở, khóc lên thành tiếng, như một đứa trẻ bị bỏ rơi giữa trời đông lạnh giá. Thấy vậy, người chủ vội vã nấu cho nó một bữa ăn thịnh soạn như để bù đắp lỗi lầm. Sau khi ăn, tâm trạng của nó đã đỡ hơn rất nhiều. Chú chó vẫn không hề giận chủ nhân của mình, chỉ hy vọng sau này người chủ sẽ quan tâm đến em nhiều hơn, không để em cô đơn và đói lại nữa.
This majestic cloud missed the toy 3 times and still has the audacity to demand a snacks for its athletic performance.
Put an ice cube on your cat and see what they do.
Look at this tiny toasted marshmallow attempting to be a fierce wolf. One big yawn and he is ready to conquer the leather chair or just take a very long nap right there.
Cilo sini. Amlo main keluar, Cilo nggak diajak. Main tangkap kecoa yuk. Cilo harus bisa tangkap kecoanya. Ayo tangkap lagi. Sekarang Cilo main sendiri ya.
This bold feline took a literal taste of danger by snacking on raw chicken feet. Apparently, the taste test was successful despite the poultry's protests. I thought I was taking a private break until this giant rodent decided to join the morning meeting.
Look at this little businessman!